Compassion fatigue is a state of emotional and physical exhaustion. It affects those who help others, like counselors. It stems from constantly being exposed to others' suffering. This can lead to feelings of overwhelm and detachment. It's crucial to recognize compassion fatigue is not a weakness. Compassion fatigue is a gradual process. It can start subtly and worsen over time. Early signs might include difficulty sleeping, increased irritability, and reduced empathy. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more severe symptoms. This includes chronic exhaustion, emotional numbness, and difficulty maintaining relationships. Compassion fatigue is a natural consequence of caring deeply. It's not a sign of failure. Understanding this can be the first step towards healing. It allows individuals to approach their experiences with self-compassion. Recognizing the symptoms of compassion fatigue is vital. Ignoring them can lead to more severe consequences. Some common symptoms include persistent fatigue, emotional exhaustion, and reduced empathy. Individuals might experience increased cynicism and negativity. Physical symptoms can also manifest. These include headaches, digestive issues, and weakened immunity. Changes in appetite and sleep patterns are also common. These symptoms can further contribute to emotional distress. Recognizing these symptoms in oneself or colleagues is crucial. It allows for early intervention and support. Acknowledging the problem is the first step towards seeking help and making positive changes. Compassion fatigue takes a toll on both emotional and physical well-being. Individuals may experience heightened anxiety, sadness, and even depression. They might feel emotionally drained and detached from their work and personal lives. This emotional exhaustion can impact relationships and overall quality of life. Physically, compassion fatigue can manifest as chronic fatigue, sleep disturbances, and physical ailments. The constant stress can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to illnesses. This further exacerbates the cycle of fatigue and emotional distress. It's essential to address both the emotional and physical aspects of compassion fatigue. Ignoring either can hinder the healing process. Section 4, the demands of caring professions. Caring professions like counseling often involve long hours and emotionally demanding work. Counselors are constantly exposed to their clients' trauma, grief, and pain. This constant exposure can take a toll on their emotional reserves. The nature of their work requires them to be emotionally present. The pressure to help and make a difference can also contribute to compassion fatigue. Counselors often carry a heavy emotional burden. They strive to provide the best possible care for their clients. This dedication can sometimes lead to neglecting their own needs. Moreover, counselors might face vicarious trauma. This is when they internalize their clients' traumatic experiences. This can lead to symptoms similar to post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. The demands of caring professions highlight the importance of self-care and support. Section 5. Cultivating resilience strategies for coping. Building resilience is crucial for combating compassion fatigue. One effective strategy is regulating the body and mind through practices like mindfulness and meditation. These techniques can help calm the nervous system and reduce stress levels. Staying self-aware is equally important. Counselors need to recognize their own emotional limits and set healthy boundaries. This includes learning to say no to additional work when necessary. Practicing self-compassion is essential. Counselors should treat themselves with the same kindness and understanding they offer their clients. This involves acknowledging their own struggles and practicing self-care without guilt. Section 6. Prioritizing well-being for sustainable care. Prioritizing well-being is not selfish, it's essential for sustainable care. Counselors who neglect their own needs risk burnout and compassion fatigue. This can hinder their ability to provide effective care to their clients. Engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation is crucial. This might include spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, or connecting with loved ones. Seeking support from colleagues, supervisors, or therapists can also provide a safe space to process emotions and develop coping mechanisms. Remember, taking care of oneself is not a luxury but a necessity. It allows counselors to continue providing compassionate care while maintaining their own well-being. By prioritizing self-care, counselors can cultivate resilience and continue making a positive impact in the lives of others.